In the era of AI, innovation in the car wash industry is advancing at an unprecedented pace. While you are still contemplating the future, Leisuwash has already arrived with the answer. Following the Leisuwash 380 series, we once again lead industry transformation with the launch of the all-new Leisuwash 370 Plus fully intelligent car wash system. This is not merely a simple upgrade, but a deeper breakthrough based on our understanding of customer needs, cutting-edge technology, and personalized design. The Leisuwash 370 Plus is equipped with a bus-based servo motion control system, combined with AI 3-axis motion control technology, enabling seamless networked operation of motion controllers. This allows coordinated operation of rotation, lateral movement, and longitudinal movement simultaneously. Corners that previously required 5 seconds can now be completed in just 1.5 seconds, making every second of the cleaning process more efficient. The nozzles intelligently focus on the vehicle surface to ensure uniform coverage, significantly improving washing efficiency without wasting any cleaning liquids. In addition, the system is equipped with a 3-in-1 main control system and soft start function, ensuring stable operation and longer service life. To ensure safer and more effective cleaning, ultrasonic radar fusion detection technology is integrated. It accurately measures the vehicle's width and length and maintains an optimal 35 centimeters washing distance from the paint surface. It can also automatically identify spare tires, providing full coverage, touchless protection for every vehicle. Combined with AI 3-axis motion control, the innovative frictionless sliding rail suspension design improves operational speed. Suspension design improves operational speed, making the robotic arm lighter, more stable, and more agile. A full wash cycle takes only 28 seconds, significantly reducing washing, and features a unique dual-row angled nozzle design, thereby lowering operating costs. The intelligent robotic arm supports 360-degree high pressure, water, electricity, and chemical consumption. The upper and lower nozzles are staggered to avoid interference between water stream, ensuring more thorough cleaning. The Leisuwash 370 Plus is equipped with an integrated liquid mixing system that supports multiple liquid program packages. Through mixing and atomization, the cleaning solution forms microparticles, while the robotic arm rotates 360 degrees. This combination enables rotary spraying and uniform coverage of the vehicle surface. With this efficient atomization method, only 20 to 50 milliliters of cleaning solution is required per vehicle, allowing deeper penetration of dirt and maximizing cleaning effectiveness. During the washing process, rich, dense foam cascades from top to bottom like silky satin, allowing cleaning and care agents to fully interact with dirt, improving cleaning efficiency. At the same time, polishing protection is applied. Users can also opt for a 3-color foam system, where different colored foams intertwine to create a rainbow-like visual effect. The wax function, when used with top-row reverse osmosis water, forms a polymer layer on the vehicle surface after blending, effectively reducing water spots. It also creates a durable, transparent protective coating, providing excellent resistance against water, acid rain, contamination, and UV rays. After cleaning, the built-in fast drying system delivers immediate results. The frictionless sliding rail design ensures smoother operation and rapid drying, performing a Siemens 5.5 kilowatts high efficiency motor reduces energy consumption by 10%, lowering operating costs while improving efficiency. The blower housing is made of ASA plastic and designed with aerodynamics to generate high-speed airflow while reducing noise. For flat elongated Air outlets concentrate airflow, increasing wind speed by 15%. Within 30 seconds, over 90% of water can be removed. Combined with side airflow, drying the effect is even better, allowing vehicles to leave immediately after washing. For operational management, the Leisuwash 370 Plus provides an intelligent solution. It uses the German code C's Bus Motion Network Communication Control Platform, enabling users to remotely control the system via browser or mobile app. One account can manage multiple machines, monitor operating status, and perform remote operations, reducing the need for on-site inspections. Users can also configure the system to send daily or periodic reports and real-time operational status to mobile devices or computers via email. When system upgrades are available, users are notified. One-click remote installation, simplifying maintenance. The Leisuwash 370 Plus features a flexible ceiling-mounted and ground-mounted design. The minimum installation width is only 3,600 millimeters, eliminating the need for complex frame construction and resulting in a compact and clean layout. The frictionless sliding AO suspension design includes anti-detachment and anti-slip features, significantly improving speed and safety. Higher speed increases throughput, while minimizing resource consumption. High-quality synchronous belts, durable cable carriers, and tensioning structures ensure stable operation in harsh environments. Leisuwash 370 Plus. The exterior design is minimalist with clean lines and a modern blue and white color scheme, presenting a sleek and high-tech appearance. Attention to detail is evident throughout, reflecting both industrial precision and uncompromising quality. Hangzhou Leisuwash Cleaning Equipment Co. Ltd. is a professional manufacturer of touchless car wash machines. Over the past decade, more than 10,000 Leisuwash systems have been deployed worldwide. We are proud to be a leading brand in the domestic touchless car wash industry, guided by customer needs and driven by innovation and personalized design. We continuously deliver advanced car wash experiences. Leisuwash 370 Plus represents not only superior cleaning, but also intelligent excellence in every detail.